Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to turn off beauty filter in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera app. And if you want to turn off beauty filter, then simply click on this upper arrow. And here you can see the filter icon. Click on it. Here you can select filter already selected. Here you can select any filter on your photo, and if you want to remove your filter turn off beauty mode, then simply keep the filter original. And if you can select your filter original, your beauty filter will be turned off. So this is the way to turn off beauty filter in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.